Welcome. Today we shall cleanse, balance, and strengthen your crown chakra, which is the center of divine connection, wisdom, and pure awareness. Find a quiet, comfortable place, sit with your spine erect, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and out. Let your body soften. Let your thoughts begin to slow. You are safe. You are here. You are open to receive light. Now visualize soft golden roots extending from the base of your spine, going deep into Earth's heart. Feel Mother Earth's gentle pull, stable, protective, and loving. With each exhale, release tension, fear, and overthinking into the Mother Earth. And with each inhale, draw in calm strength and support from her. Keep breathing. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head on your crown chakra. Visualize a brilliant violet white light swirling gently. With each breath, this light expands, dissolving all heavy or stuck energy, all confusion, fear, and doubt. See the light purifying your thoughts, clearing the mental fog, releasing old energies of fear, worry, or limitation. Whisper inwardly, I release all that blocks my divine connection. I open to pure awareness. Allow the light to spin freely, bright, clean, and radiant. Now, as you inhale, visualize this violet light flowing down into your entire body, aligning each chakra beneath it. And as you exhale, the light rises upwards, connecting you to the source, the universe. Your mind quiets, your heart opens. You are balanced, grounded, and connected to the divine. Breathe in harmony, body, mind, and spirit in perfect alignment. With every breath, feel your crown chakra glowing brighter, spinning smoothly like a radiant halo. Imagine pure white gold light streaming from the universe into your crown, filling you with wisdom, clarity, and serenity. This light anchors deep into your heart, uniting divine consciousness with love and purpose. Feel your entire being vibrating with peace, unity, and divine truth. Repeat silently, I am one with the universe. I am guided, protected, and at peace. My crown chakra radiates divine light and wisdom. Allow this energy to expand beyond your body, filling your entire aura, your room, and the entire world. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your feet on the ground, your breath steady, your mind clear. Bow your head slightly as a gesture of gratitude to the divine, your higher self, and the light that flows through you. Whisper softly, I am connected. I am complete. I am. Gently wiggle your toes, your fingers, and when you're ready, open your eyes slowly. Carry this radiant stillness with you, a reminder that your crown chakra is always open to divine wisdom and peace.